What if Roblox admins aren't developers, but gods? Before players existed, before games loaded, early creators like Builderman, the first Robloxian gods. They vanished. Rooney, deleted, banned. But 404 doesn't mean the end. Something's still out there. Deletion doesn't mean death. Glitches aren't bugs. They're echoes. Who's still watching us?